Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you the reaction between a gallium aluminium alloy and water. So the first thing we have to do is make aluminium and gallium into an alloy. Now, aluminium is here, as you can see, these little foils. I've just folded it up and cut them into strips. And the gallium is here in this, didn't mean to knock that, in this syringe. A bit of water, as you can see. So this syringe contains gallium. Now, gallium is a metal, but it at a higher temperature than room temperature, about 30 degrees, I believe, so your hands, it will melt and it will be a liquid. So I've just got that suspended in some warm water to keep it liquid so that we can make it into an alloy. So I'll be making it into an alloy on this little dish. It's just metal covered in cellophane, just so that if the metal is actually aluminium itself, it doesn't form an alloy with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop a bit of the gallium on. Let me just grab that now. Dab off the water. Gallium. Now gallium is quite an expensive metal. You don't get a lot for your money. Just like tritium in my previous video, you don't get a lot for your money there either. Now, hold on, I'm just going to put that down for a second while I grab the other two bits that have fallen out of the tube. Okay, no matter. We'll just use this. So as you can see, it's a little blob of gallium. It's going to move around on the dish like so. It's pretty cool. It's a liquid metal. You can see it's metallic. It's quite obviously metallic. So then what we'll do is we'll get the tweezers. We'll grab a small bit of aluminium foil, suspend it in, push it around into the gallium so that it forms an alloy. You can see it will be absorbed by the gallium. So this is all I'm going to be doing. I'm going to get it all alloyed in together, and then I will continue the video. Right, so now, as you can see, I've formed the aluminium gallium alloy. It took quite a lot of time, a lot longer than I was expecting. It took me about half an hour of stirring all of this stuff to get it like this, but as you can see, it's a different consistency now. It's almost like a liquid mirror, basically. It's very interesting texture, and a lot different than normal gallium, and it's made quite a mess on the tin foil. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rip this section out to make it easier to get into the water there at the back. Right, I'll see you again in a second. Right, it seems to be reacting its way through the plastic, which is not a good thing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to submerge it in the water. Here we go. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. There we go. Look at that reaction. So that has turned the water completely like a blacky grey colour. It's producing quite a lot of heat as well, apparently. Yeah, that's interesting. So it shouldn't be harmless. It should be completely harmless. Sorry, is what I mean. So what's happening inside the reaction is the oxygen on the water is oxidizing the dissolved aluminium in the gallium to release hydrogen gas. So all the fizzing that you might have heard, and you can see if I take the plastic out, you can see it's all fizzing up around here. That fizzing is hydrogen gas being released. So I didn't mean to knock that. So if you really wanted to, you could extract the hydrogen gas, collect it, and do the squeaky pop test to show that it's completely hydrogen. So what's left should be liquid gallium and water, along with aluminium oxide dissolved in the water. Now, aluminium oxide is black, so what you saw there was the color change. Sorry, you saw was the aluminium oxide precipitant forming. which I might be able to see. It's very cool. It's very nice. I quite like the reaction. It's quite fun to watch it fizz and go all black. And that's about that. So I hope you enjoyed this scientific video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share to all of your friends. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.